Getting your measurements is the first step to this. I personally would start with this diameter, and it looks like we are at 86 millimeters. Okay, and then we're going to go with the height, which is 12 millimeters. And then we've got that
Jackson, go away.
Okay. Well, there's a couple of ways we could do this, but we're going to go right here. This one is... go 20 millimeters. And the next surface is 5 millimeters. And actually, I'm gonna go this way. And that is 4 millimeters.
Probably DJs. Hey guys, they're trying to follow you.
Okay, and then we're at 4 again. And this piece is 5 millimeters deep. And this piece is 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters, popular number. Alright, this diameter is 26 millimeters. And then get a shot of that. And then right here we have 36 millimeters. The starting looks like it goes on either side right here. Can you see that taper right there?
Yeah,
kind of. Okay, so the taper depth before you do an arc is going to be 2 millimeters. So it tapers down, and then we have another arc around here. Did I do this one?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, well, just in case I didn't. That's 35. Okay, and then did I do this depth? I don't think I did this depth. Did I?
I don't think so.
Okay, so this depth is 41 millimeters. And then the inside diameter of the keyhole is 17 millimeters. And the handle starts from the diameter from 27, tapers down to 20 over a space of, let's go right there, space of 104, and then it's going to be, it's got an arc on the back side, it's flat on the front, and it is 9 millimeters thick on the back side, and then still 9, tapers down to 5. This right here, from here to, I'm going to go to the arc edge, is 60 millimeters. Did I miss anything, you think?
I don't think
You
so.
can stop it.